Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to customize your Streamlabs OBS layout. To customize your Streamlabs OBS layout, open the software and navigate to the Editor tab. Here, you can modify various elements like overlays, widgets, and scenes. To change the layout, click on the Scenes section. So click the plus icon to add a new scenes. Then, in the Sources box, add or remove elements such as webcam, images, or text. For precise adjustments, use the red bouncing box around sources to resize or reposition them. To add new element, click on the plus icon in the sources box. To modify text or image sources, right-click and choose Properties. For dynamic content, integrate widgets like alerts or chat boxes through the Widgets section. Customize their appearance and behaviors to suit your preferences. Experiment with themes by accessing the Themes tab to change the overall visual style. Additionally, explore the Settings menu for advanced customization option. And that's how to customize your Streamlabs OBS layout. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.